Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll share with you my 4 secrets to making the best fried chicken. You will need 2 pounds of chicken, 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, 1/2 tablespoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1/2 tablespoon of oregano, 1/2 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of dried mustard, and 5 cups of vegetable shortening. For the brine, you'll need 2 quarts of water, 1/3 cup of salt, 3 cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup of honey, and 2 teaspoons of thyme. My first secret to making the best fried chicken is brining. Brining for at least 4 hours makes your chicken moist and more flavorful. To make the brine, add your water, honey, and 1/3 cup of salt. Now add the garlic and 2 teaspoons of thyme and mix well. Place your chicken in the bowl, then transfer it to the refrigerator and allow it to sit for at least 4 hours or overnight. In a separate bowl, combine your dried mustard, garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of salt, and black pepper. Now add the smoked paprika, oregano, onion powder, and white pepper. Mix until well combined, then set it aside until later. My second secret to making the best fried chicken is substituting 1/4 of the flour with cornstarch. Using cornstarch will leave your chicken light but super crunchy. In a shallow dish, combine your flour, cornstarch, and 4.5 tablespoons of your seasoning mixture and mix well. After 4 hours, remove your chicken from the refrigerator and place it in a bowl. Now season your chicken with 1.5 tablespoons of your seasoning mixture. Now coat your chicken with your seasoned flour, then place them on a wire rack. The third secret to my fried chicken is using a heavy cast iron skillet. Using a cast iron skillet will distribute the heat and allow your chicken to cook more evenly. My fourth secret is using an oil with a high smoke point, such as vegetable shortening. Although this is not the healthiest choice, it will result in a great taste and beautiful color. I have one more secret to share, but I'll get to that in a moment. Add your shortening to your cast iron skillet, then bring your temperature to 350 degrees. Now fry your chicken until it has reached an internal temperature of 165 degrees. My last secret is after your chicken is done, allow it to rest on a clean wire rack for 6 minutes before serving. This will result in an even temperature and an extra crispy crust. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.